Again, we are going to discuss a question on calls in advance. So, on 1st February 2016, Raj Limited received in advance first call, that is 25 per share, 400 equity shares, and the final call, first call was due on 31st March 2016, and he paid at on 1st February. Generalize the above transaction. So, what will be the entry? Bank to calls in advance. Okay, bank to calls in advance. How it is calculated? 400 into 25, that will be advance money. Okay, and on 31st March there is reverse entry to transfer it on first call, that will be calls in advance to first equity call, equity share call first. Okay, quite simple. It is too easy, you can easily calculate it. Now another question we have to going to discuss here. Sometimes calls in arrear and calls in advance comes together. So here's a question. A limited company has registered capital 5 lakh rupees, 10 each, that will be 50,000 shares, and issued will be 20,000. Premium will be charged 3 per on application, 4 per allotment including premium, that will be 2 on allotment but including 2 as a premium, and 2 per share on first call, and 3 made another calls to remaining money. Okay, all money payable on application allotment were duly received, but the first call made on one shareholder paid the entire balance of his holding 300 shares, that will be advance. Okay, and another share holding 1000 shares failed to pay the first call money. So you have to prepare both the accounts, calls in arrear and calls in advance. Okay, so first transferring the money 60,000, that will be bank to share application. Why 60,000? Because 20 into how much? Share application 3 per. Okay, 20 into 3, that will be 60,000. Share application transfer to the share application account, share capital account. Then allotment was made 80, 40 and 40 as a premium, because 2 rupees as a share capital and 2 rupees is a security premium. After transferring it to share allotment, to share first call account debit 40 to share capital. Okay, as we know, a shareholder first call receive on 19,000 shares 2 rupees per, plus second call receive on advance 300 share. So how much it will be transferred? Bank account debit. Okay, bank account debit, that will be 38,900 to share first call 38. Okay, the entry will be at the wrong place, so you can easily not able to understand, but it will be in the credit side. To share first call 38, and to calls in advance, how much is calls in advance? On 300 share. Okay, so 300 share at 3 per share, that will be 3 3 ja 9, that is 900. But here is calls in arrear also, that is 1000 on share first call of 2 rupees, that will be 2000 rupees. Okay, because it is a 1000 share was not received on 2 rupees, that will be 2000 rupees. Okay, so this is the question of combination of calls in arrear and calls in advance.